The average person watches over 6.5 hours of video content a week, but if we're totally honest, we all know we watch way more than that. Taking into account TikTok, Instagram Reels, Netflix, YouTube, and not to miss out this little guy, you could guess you're spending close to 6 hours a day watching videos online. How about if you could turn some of those watch hours into cold hard cash? Impossible, right? Well, today I'll be showing you 5 websites that will allow you to do just that. Get paid real money just by watching videos. Now make sure you stay with me all the way through the video so that you don't miss out on any of these awesome methods. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. This is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy, and on here I'll be showing you various ways of making money online and building multiple streams of passive income. I'll also be documenting my journey to financial freedom, and I'll be sharing what I learn along the way so that we can all grow and learn together. So if that sounds interesting to you, then consider subscribing to the channel and ticking the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Pico Workers is a micro working platform where you can perform small online tasks for small payouts. Pico Workers is a two-way platform. Once you set up an account, you can both perform small tasks for money or pay people to do micro tasks for you. For example, some people use the site to get people to follow them on social media or to join email lists. Pico Workers are very reputable, and it's easy to find Pico Worker payment proofs from people who have earned money from the platform. The company has an about page with full address details and even a phone number. After completing the simple sign up process, you'll be able to search for jobs. So if you come over here and select video marketing and then watch video, it will bring up all the jobs related to watching videos. If you keep the subcategory section clear, you'll get more jobs. However, you will have to like and maybe share the video. Now, you're not going to make a fortune with this. However, you can certainly earn real money. If you come over to this tab, we can actually see how much other users are making too. This user has made over $1,300 on here. You can even click onto their profile and actually see what types of jobs they've been doing. So we can see a breakdown of all their jobs. So 50% came from engagement ads, which are basically jobs you do by clicking on blogs and ads. Next is video marketing, which is what we're doing, which is watching videos and engagement on YouTube, like commenting and liking videos. Feel free to see what other jobs are available on the site too. Next is a website called Earnably. Earnably is an online reward site where you can earn money, and it's free to use. It was founded in 2015, and compared to some of the other sites, it's still fairly new. But that does not mean you shouldn't trust it. The registration is fast and it's free. You only need to provide your email address, create a username and password, and then confirm your email, and you're all good to go. So on the homepage, you can check out the Earn dropdown, which will show you all the different ways that you can make money on this site. So you see we can make money by using the offer wall, daily surveys, videos, and apps. Our video today is about making money watching videos, so let's click on video. So here we have two options, which is Hideout TV and Video Fox. There used to be a third option called Ace Wall, which was better, but let's just choose Hideout TV. So on here, the first thing you want to do is create an account with Hideout TV so that all of your points are calculated and added to your Earnably account. Then we can come down here and see that we can choose what types of videos you want to watch. Let's just click on here. Make sure you have your ad blocker turned off or else it won't work. So that's basically it for this site. Just sign up for Earnably and then also the video provider, and then start watching videos. Just to be clear, this is not a way to become rich or make a full-time income or anything like that, but it can be a decent option for some extra cash on the side. Now let's check out the third site, which is in my opinion the best site on this list. Superpay.me is a free website which mostly focuses on paying its 1 million plus members to answer surveys. However, there are a few other online activities you can do to earn money too. These include watching videos and referring other people to start using the platform. The registration is super fast, and there are plenty of new opportunities to make money appearing all the time. You can register an account no matter where you are in the world, although your location and demographic information will determine which surveys you're eligible to fill out if you do decide to do some surveys. If you register today, you'll be given a 20-cent bonus just for signing up. Let me log in to show you the site. So before I show you how to use the site, I just wanted to show you some proof that they do actually pay out. Let's check out this page, which shows all the payouts they made today. They've paid out a total of $3.5 million so far. So here, these are the users paid out today using PayPal, PayPal Instant, and so on. Also, if you search them on Trustpilot, they have a trust rating of 4.6, which is excellent, and over 1.9 thousand reviews, which you can go through. So to start earning money on here, come over to this menu and you can go through all of these options. But today I'll be showing you the engage video section. In essence, this section is similar to the last website, however they do have different providers from time to time. So just remember to sign up for the video provider, also to make sure your points are logged by SuperPay. So to withdraw your funds, just head over to the rewards and select withdraw. You need to have made a minimum of $1 to withdraw from the site, but this is unique as most sites have a threshold of around $5 to $10 before you can withdraw. The payment options they have are PayPal, PayPal Instant, Skrill, and Bitcoin, which is pretty cool. The fourth website we have is called Inbox Dollars, which is a well-known website which also goes by the name of Inbox Pounds in the UK. It's similar to other websites, however the cool thing is they offer you a $5 bonus as soon as you sign up and another 50 cents for filling out your profile. Let's check out how it works. So what happens is that brands pay them in order to gain consumer opinions and insights, which helps these companies improve their products and services. Inbox Dollars recruits us to gain this info for the companies. They do this by offering a wide selection of surveys, tasks, and video clips to be completed and engaged. And then they pass on a percentage of the profits to us as real cash and not points. So these are a few of the different ways we can earn money on the site, but what we're interested in is this section, which is watching videos. So they explain that big brands, companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content like movie trailers or new product features. They pay us and we share a portion of the earnings with you. They then say you can even complete a short survey for money while you're watching up on the latest celebrity gossip or watching a cooking demonstration. And if you sign up today, you'll be giving a $5 bonus. Now they do have a payment threshold of around $30, so you will need to make that much before you can withdraw. So I would recommend you to check it out. And lastly, we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers you rewards such as gift cards and PayPal cash in exchange for sharing your web browsing and online shopping habits, participating in surveys, and giving feedback. It's a platform where you can earn rewards for online activities you're probably already doing. You're here because you want to make money watching videos online, and that's what they also offer. So what you'll be doing is earning reward points by watching videos online. These points can be redeemed as PayPal cash or gift cards, including Walmart and Amazon gift cards. And once again, you're not going to be making thousands of dollars with these sites. However, you could make enough money to invest into another long-term business. If you're interested in finding out a better way of making a real income replacing amount of money online from home, then make sure to click on the link in the description to find out how. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.